Hello everyone. Yes, you check. This is 1J Toyota engine. I make the timing. So you check. Now I making the timing without the diagram. Check your starting position and sound. Okay? Okay, start. You're watching. You're watching. Okay? You're watching. Then better. This is good. Okay? Okay, stop. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm making two timing. This is a 1J Toyota without diagram. Okay? You check. This is my video. Okay? This is my number 0097336400 916. This is my number. I'm in Bahrain. Okay everyone, enjoy your video.